close your eyes. And with your eyes comfortably closed, just bring your awareness to your breathing. Just observe how your breath is coming in and going out. Just observe your breath. Take 3 deep breaths, breathing in from the nose, breathing out from the mouth 3 times. And as you start breathing normally, observe every breath going deeper and deeper. Your eyes are closed. Your physical body is beginning to relax. Your mind is becoming quiet and calm as you are beginning to go deep into a relaxation which is very comfortable and very soothing. And as you bring your awareness to your physical body, simultaneously expand your awareness and connect with the entire planet. The entire earth. And the earth is full of beautiful, nourishing, prosperous energies. Just get present to all the gold on the planet Earth. And also the crystal energy of golden pyrite. Even if you do not understand what it means, just perceive the energy of it. Golden pyrite is known for its energy of attracting wealth. So what if you connect with all that golden pyrite, all the ones that are extracted and are in various forms on the earth already, and all the ones that are in the mines, and all the gold that is being extracted and is in various forms on the planet Earth. jewelry, coin, bricks, and all that gold that is still there in the mines, waiting to be extracted. There is so much gold on the planet. And allow yourself to receive the energy of it. Just perceive. Allow yourself to feel. How does it feel like? What is the vibration of gold? Is it happy energy? Is it bubbly, chirpy, enthusiastic? Is it expansive? What kind of energy is it? Just allow yourself to receive the vibrations of all the glow, all the gold around the entire planet. And allow yourself to expand your awareness beyond the entire planet, beyond the entire solar system, beyond the entire galaxy and all the galaxies. The entire universe and all the universes. Invoking the golden light of the universe, the sparkles of golden light across all time, space, dimensions, and realities. To flow towards you, your space, your galaxy, your planet, your house, and flowing into your body right from the top of your head all the way into the cells of your body, like a stream of bright white light with golden sparkles, filling you up with the golden energy. We are all in the golden era if we allow ourselves to be in the vibration of gold. There is no lack. There does not have to be any disease. If we allow ourselves to tap into the powers of our mind and the potencies of our body, we can create and receive miracles, as that is who we truly are. a miraculous being vibrating at the frequency of gold. Breathe in and breathe out, allowing this divine white light with golden sparkles to flow through the cells of the body, all the way from the top of the head, slowly and gradually, through the entire face, the entire neck, the arms, the shoulders, the entire chest area, the front and the back. Healing the heart, activating the golden heart energies, that is full of unconditional love for self and others. Flowing all the way to the abdominal area, the front and the back, the upper and the lower abdominal area. Just filling the golden energy into the cells of the body. All the way to the genitals, the hips, the thighs, to the knees, calf muscles, releasing all the belief system that stops you from being the pure gold energy. All the way through the feet to the Mother Earth. Allowing the Mother Earth to receive from this divine golden energy from across all universes to flow into the core of the earth, activating the golden vibrations. And as the earth rejoices, receiving the golden vibration, it creates a huge ball of energy around your body, filled with bright white light with sparkles of gold. Filling your space with the golden energy. Expanding your awareness, connecting with all the angels, the guides, the beings contributing to you, allowing their contribution of the golden wisdom, the gold and prosperity into your life. You can repeat with me. I choose to be and receive the golden vibrations in my life. I choose to be and receive the golden vibration in my life. I choose to be and receive the golden vibration in my life. I choose to receive everything that is valuable to me. I choose to receive me. I choose to receive everything that is valuable to me. I choose to receive me. I choose to receive everything that is valuable to me. I choose to receive me. I choose to be the walking, talking miracle of golden energy. Everything I touch turns to gold. Just allow yourself to soak into the vibrations. Take a long, deep breath in and let go. Bringing your awareness to your physical body, being present with your physical body. Thanking your angels, your guides, the beings contributing to you. Thanking the universe. Thanking the Mother Earth. Thanking the collective consciousness. You can move your hands and your feet a little bit. You can rub your palms, put them on your eyes, and slowly and gradually, as you feel comfortable, you can just open your eyes.